So yes guys, welcome back to the channel from my home, from my sweet home. So yes, in this video I'm gonna talking about how to stop wasting your time. But before I'm going to start this topic, if you new in this channel, my name is Aryan Singh and I am here to improve my English, and my only goal is to improve my English while talking to you naturally on the camera. And you have to also the same way to learn English, which I do follow. You have to open your camera, you have to open your you have to stand in front of mirror and talking with yourself, pick a one topic, speak out there. So this is the natural way to speak English, learn English, which I am following you in this channel. I am uploaded almost 10 video, 10 topic I covered. So today is the day I'm going to cover how to stop wasting your time. So I will start with just figure out your work. I mean, if you have a 3 to 4 work in a whole day, so what will be the first main work of your day? Like for me, every day the main work is to my editing. So in the morning I have to edit my video. Okay. After that I feel relaxed because the main work has done in the early in the morning, and I have to go gym. I have to go practice classes, which you know already if you are old to this channel. So yeah, this is the thing. You have to figure out your work. You have to figure out your work. What will be the work? What will be the productive work? Like if you are in college, if you are in school, you have to go school, complete your homework, and sometime watching TVs and all. But classify your main work, classify your default work. I mean, that's not necessary for the day if you haven't covered that topic, if you haven't done your work. But the important thing is to cover your main work every day. This is the only thing how you stop wasting your time. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take a mine example. Let's take another example. If someone is creator, and he's creating a everyday video. He's only the guy who's manage all the thing. All the things mean creating thumbnail, creating SEO, doing SEO, creating a video setup and all A to Z production for the video. So and he's also going to a gym and many of work. So early in the morning he wake up. He just want to do a one work, which is the main work. For me it's editing, so I will do it editing for early in the morning, and I have to read every day a book. This is a show your work book. If you are creator, if you are becoming a new creator in this in few years, you have to read this book, Austin Kleon author. This is the best book for a creator. So also second work is to reading 20-page book every day. So this is my second main work of the day. So I have to complete my edit, I have to complete my reading book, I have to go gym, hitting my daily calorie intake for weighting gain. So that's all the thing for me. It's very important. And once my main work is completed and I have too much time, so basically I am going to outside for walking, gallivanting with friend, and watching video clips, which is in my category, which I am doing right now. So yeah, this is the thing you have to do it. Just the first step is to classify your work, and the second thing is classify your work, main work and default work, which you are not going to do. So it's okay, you will do it tomorrow because it's not necessary. But the necessary work is to do it today only. Every day you have to show up your hard work. You have to give your 100% for that work. Okay. So yeah, this is the thing. It's a day, I think so. It's a day 13 of learning English, which I covered the topic how to stop wasting your time. So yes, guys, please don't. And one advice from my side: don't waste your time if you are in between age of 20, 21, 22, 25. You have to do hard work because no one will support you and before after 25. so you have to do it very quickly, very fast, and don't forget to smile every day. Okay, you have to, definitely you have to work hard, but don't forget to give yourself time. Give yourself time listening song, which you in doing something which love you doing. So if I am, for me it's playing cricket, playing any sports, so I will do it sometime, because of for my happiness. It's very necessary. Do not forget your happiness, do not forget your because of your work. So yes guys, this is a topic which I covered. Don't waste your time, keep doing work guys. And if you are at the age of 15 to 16, 17, 18, you have to fun boy, you are too small. You have to go school, go college, and have fun with your friend. That's it. You don't take too much stress in your mind, because you have time. I'm just talking about who is between 20 to 25. You don't have too much time. You have to show every day, you have to hard work. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the day. And the last thing is, if you want to learn English, you have to speak out there. Open your camera, and again I'm saying, open your camera. Speak in front of mirror, speak with your friends. Start small effort work. Okay, smart. So it's too hot, guys. Let's see. Anyway, I have to ready for my gym. It's my back day. I have to do pull up. Let's see, this is my progress. Let it be. So yes guys, that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Keep hard working, keep doing well. Don't forget to smile, and I am here to make you smile. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next one.